Oh, come on. I don't know why this battery doesn't hold a charge. Got it tested out and apparently it's good. Might do it again. But that's kind of annoying. Drove around last night to make sure it was fully charged. For today, a nice Friday, but I don't know. This glove box actually does not stay closed whenever it's cold out, but when it's warm, like the plastic expands a little bit and it actually will latch close all the way and stay closed. But a lot of time I'll go over a big bump and it just falls down. All right, let's take the truck. Old reliable. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why the Skyline does not always stay charged. I'm not sure if it's the alternator or the battery. Like I said, I had the battery checked. Supposedly it's good, but it's an old Walmart battery. I might just go buy it a little bit nicer once some time, try it out. Or something's draining the battery while it's off. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. Well, I'm off for today. I have a couple things planned for the evening that we're gonna go ahead and jump to now. So I want to briefly talk a little bit about kind of where I'm going with the whole drift car setup, because I got a lot of drift cars around here. I don't quite exactly have a clear plan for like the next drift season. This drift season is coming to a close and now it is time to make a few decisions on where to go and kind of what to build in a sense. Now I do have a couple different options for next year, but I really kind of want to define my goals first. Like what do I want to do and accomplish as far as next drift season? And that's going to be competition. I really want to start going down to Lone Star and competing down there in Texas a little bit. And the E36 right now is definitely not up to spec for that. That's why I kind of got the 350 to run Texas Street Legal, while I kind of build my S14 or E36 to be more of the Pro-Am setup and stuff like that. Definitely have some options here that I could go with. Kind of want to hear you guys' opinion over them. I could either keep the 350Z and kind of just run it in Texas Street Legal a little bit here and there, kind of learn some stuff. Pretty much make it just a straight drift car. It's going to be, doors are going to be bashed in and stuff like that. Even though it's pretty clean right now, you can kind of see right there. It's pretty clean overall, not too bad, but it will get a little bit torn up. E36 I'm definitely keeping. It's going to be kind of my takeout grassroots events. Just have fun with it. It's in pretty decent shape overall. It's not perfect, but all my original subscribers have seen me drift the S14 that I have back there. And I believe that is what I'm actually going to start building next. I've kind of talked about 2JZ stuff, and I believe that I'm really going to start doing it. I have a few parts. I've been talking to some companies and stuff here and there. That's a whole nother video, but that is the plan. And tomorrow's video is going to be really good. I believe it. It's going to be something might happen. We'll see. Kind of where I stand right now is I'm really thinking either sell the Z or street drive it. I really am not sure if I want to drift it. I'd have to do a whole lot of stuff, spend a whole lot of money to kind of get it there as far as the handbrake, welded diff, angle kit, stuff like that. I'm thinking about just keeping E36, just have fun with it. Maybe LS swap it someday if it really kind of boils down to that. And mainly focus on the S14. I think I've been having way too many project cars around here. None of them are really getting built, so I think I really need to focus all my time and money on the S14, and we can go ahead and get that thing rolling. And it's gonna be sweet, guys. Trust me, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I kind of went over my plans briefly in a video a while back, but I'll kind of go over it here in the next few days as we kind of explain the whole process that I'm planning for the whole car. Before I do anything with the 350, I got a clutch going in. That's gonna be a whole nother video. Is the 350Z clutch. I got an eBay exhaust coming in, short shifter, stuff like that. Just kind of get it all buttoned up. That's another video. But today, I think I'm gonna start cleaning out the 240 a little bit, because like I said, I need it cleaned out here in about a week. I'm gonna be sent off to get a cage in it by my local cage guy, that's what I'm gonna call him. And also the E36 actually got some race car stuff over here, chilling for it. Got the whole rear polycarbonate Lexan window, and these the quarter panel windows and the normal door windows. Condor Speed Shop hooked me up with all this stuff. I'm gonna go over that in another video, a whole separate sponsorship stuff, so stay tuned for that. So I think it's time to break into the S14, start tearing it apart, cleaning it up, and start making a list of everything that I need as far as little stuff, like a couple of the studs are broken off, stuff like that. That's what we're gonna try to accomplish tonight. Also, I'm gonna live stream tonight, which is Friday. This video will go up after the live stream. The live stream will probably still be there. Shout out to everyone who tuned in for the live stream. It's always a lot of fun. We did one, I think last week on Friday, so let me know what you guys think about it. Should I do it every Friday, every other Friday, just kind of randomly? Let me know down in the comments. The old S14, got the old John Drives logo up here. Sporty, what are you doing, big boy? I really need to clean this garage. It's an absolute mess around here right now, but don't get a lot of sunlight these days. Cue the time lapse. Well, I was trying to make it cleaner. I think I made it a little bit dirtier. Got all the AC stuff out. I was trying to take it out by the bolts. Not gonna run AC. Ended up just kind of breaking some of it out. It was all old plastic anyway, just kind of shattered. I think I'm gonna rip the carpet up, take the heater core out, along with the ECU, because I'm doing a whole another chassis harness and engine bay harness for the next setup. So I'm not really gonna need it. And then clean out the back. I think I've come to the conclusion I actually like the wing on the E36. I think it kind of adds a little something kind of cool. Well, looks like we got a little distracted from working on the 240. The boys came over and we're about to take the old 98 Camry out for a little bit of fun. So we came across these Lime scooters. If you've never heard these things, which one's yours? If you've never heard these things, they're like $1 to ride, 15 cents a minute, and they go like, what is it, like 17 miles an hour or something like that? And this little left handbrake locks up the back tire, so you can kind of slide with it. Oh, these things are so much fun. Should we go fool around in that parking lot? Parking for health club members. All right, that'll work. Oh, boys.
Drag racing?
Little drag race. Dude, I'm gonna bet Matthew takes it by a long shot, Gabe's somewhere, and me and Jordan back here just trying the hardest.
It's all about the line.
It's all about the weight.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you're right.
Shh, 3, 2, 1.
Suckers! Oh frick! He's gaining! Aerodynamics! For the win! For the win! Yeah! Woo! Alright. Got tandem burnouts in the Lime scooters. Those things are a lot of fun. If you guys never done those, make sure you do them sometime. They're pretty inexpensive overall, not too bad. Oh dude, you can get some serious trouble with these things though. Love them. Alrighty guys, had a fun day today. Got some stuff done on the S14. Just keep knocking a few things out here and there and we'll get it built. It's gonna be a sweet car. Looking forward to the build being complete. That's gonna do it with this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one.